Walk with me while I tell you why you shouldn't tell anyone you're starting an Etsy shop. Not your friends, not your family, nobody. And I know that sounds a little harsh, but hear me out. And I'm sorry, I hope that you can hear me over the waves here. I forgot my mic, but this is something that's on my mind and important, and I just want to get it out now. So, when you are starting something new, especially something creative or business related, you're in this super vulnerable place. You're excited, but you're also unsure, right? So you're trying to believe in yourself while still figuring things out. And then you tell your sister or your coworker or your friend's boyfriend, and then they hit you with something like, oh, everyone's doing Etsy now, or you're gonna sell mugs. You think people will actually buy that? And trust me, I've gotten like very similar statements along with like millions of statements when I first started my Etsy shop, okay? And just like that, your inner voice, that little spark that you had, gets quieter. And it's not because they're evil or mean, but it's just basically like they're not you. They're speaking from their lens, their fears, their idea of what's realistic. Most people were raised in a 9-to-5 world and they don't get it, and that's okay. But here's the thing. You're not making your products for your friends or your family. Your shop isn't for them. You're creating for people searching on Etsy. You have to remember that Etsy is a search engine. So people already have in mind the product that they want when they go to Etsy. And if you titled your products correctly, your product will appear for the people who actually want it and who are actually looking for it, right? So when Aunt Susan says, I just don't get it, that's fine. She's not your customer. You're not selling to Aunt Susan. Business isn't about what your cousin likes. It's about what's in demand. And look, I get it. We all want the support, especially in the beginning. But sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is build quietly. And okay, let me pause there for a second. Take a look. I'm like in a cave right now. This is so cool. This is my favorite place on the whole entire universe. I love it. So cool. Okay, let me turn this back around. Whoa, it looks like darker, I guess because I'm in a cave. But yeah, so build quietly and let your results do the talking, and find a community of people who actually get what you're doing. That was like the most helpful thing for me, was to find people who were doing the same thing. Or like, you know, I told my husband, he was like the only person that I told, and my parents. And aside from that, I didn't tell anyone else until I was successful with it, because I knew that I would let other people's voices get in the way of my own voice. So just basically learn to trust your own voice a little more than everyone else's. And this is a huge thing, especially in the beginning of your Etsy journey, to be aware of. So if you're thinking about starting that Etsy shop, I'm here to tell you to just start it, okay? And if you want somebody to talk to me, okay? You can comment on my videos, you can DM me on Instagram, it's Jenny from the shop. Talk to me, talk to people who get it. Follow people who are doing the same thing, who have the same vision, who also understand, okay? You need to surround yourself with like-minded people, and you don't have to tell anybody else what you are doing. Let your success show them. Don't wait for approval. You don't need permission. You already have everything you need, okay? So I'm gonna stop there, but basically thank you, because my path is ending. Let me show you. And I'm about to get to the beach where my family is, and they're gonna run over to me as soon as they see me. But anyways, thank you for walking. Okay, hold on. We gotta go to where it's quiet one more time so I can finish this out. But anyways, thank you so much for walking with me today. I hope that this little piece of advice helped you. If you liked this style video, in the comments, can you please write, keep walking? And that will let me know that you liked this kind of video, because I'm going to start a series called Walk With Me Wednesdays, where we just walk. And most of the time I'm in like a beautiful, cool place like this, because I live in Greece and there's so many beautiful places to walk. So I want to take you guys with me and show you the beautiful landscape of Greece, but then also give you some like advice or random thoughts of mine that helped me along the way with my with Etsy or business in general. So yeah, comment, keep walking, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for walking with me. Bye!